I have no problems with tenses anymore. I improved my my tenses, grammar rules, and
Yeah.
let me show you this book.
Common mistakes in
In
English. Oh, I'm
English.
sure. I'm sure there are.
This
There are
book.
many common ones that, yes, I noticed.
You know, when I started to improve my English, I was really I was really know what I want to improve. I want to improve my English through this program. For example, for this application, it's called Duolingo. Okay,
Oh,
and
yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
yeah, Duolingo, and Duolingo took me a year, okay, to finish the whole thing. And
Okay.
then and then I told myself, oh, Duolingo finished. Whoa, what I'm
Now
gonna
what?
go? What now? What I need something. I started I started with Cambly. Cambly. And with Cambly, after 3 months, I was trying to speak fluently. I
hmm
was discovering myself, and then after 3 months of practicing my English on Cambly, I
Yeah.
found myself I have to improve my grammar rules.
Okay. Trying
Like
to
I needed.
apply them, yeah, or just
Yeah,
actually get the knowledge of them, gain the knowledge.
exactly. Yeah, like I get
Mhm.
used to speak in the grammar rules. So because it's shame, I spent for more than 3 months, and I still like making these silly mistakes. So I have to, I have to think about grammar rules,
Mm.
and grammar rules actually, especially like the tenses. Okay,
Oh,
because
I know.
yeah,
It's so tricky.
it's so tricky for
Yeah.
me, but it's easy
Yeah.
for you. you know
No, no, no. It's easy for me to just speak that way because I'm so
yeah,
used to it. It's
yeah,
habit for me. I've formed a habit. I mean,
exactly, yeah.
over my 40 years of speaking English, it's you know. Um, but the actual learning of it is a bit tricky for me to understand as well. Even for native speakers to understand the actual layout. I mean, I found it
Huh.
quite
I'm
quite
talking
tricky
I'm
to
talking about
understand them. Mm,
exactly, yeah. When it comes, because it's really hard to maintain all these grammar rules. But
exactly. Yeah.
if I want to, yeah, if I want to speak, at least I have to improve the tenses.
Improve
Okay,
the tenses.
like the past, present, the future.
Past and presents, biggie.
Yeah,
Past and presents. Yeah.
yeah, but when it comes to present perfect continuous, like a present past perfect continuous. Oh my goodness, it's killing. Yeah,
I actually find the continuous the easiest because
yeah,
it's when you're putting
yeah.
ing on the end, continuous. It's something that will continue. But
Continuous. Yeah.
I think the main thing to try and learn with past and present, especially, is just your verb tenses. So your irregular verbs or your regular verbs. So, how does a verb change in the past tense and in the present tense? Or does it stay the same root word? Or does it change completely? Have had,
It depends
like,
on yeah. It
yeah, walk,
depends on the tense.
walked,
It depends on the
the
verbs,
verb.
irregular and regular.
Yeah.
I have no problems with tenses anymore. I improved my my tenses and grammar rules, and
Yeah.
let me show you this book.
Common mistakes in
In
English. Oh, I'm
English.
sure. I'm sure
This
there are many
book.
common ones that, yes, I noticed. Mm?
Yeah, this book has so many mistakes that
Mm-hmm.
English learners they do actually, and I got this book a year and a half,
That's
and
amazing.
as
Common
I was
mistakes in
reading,
English.
yeah, I was reading this book, and I
Yeah.
was so exciting because I was learning so much. Okay, and yesterday. I opened this book and
Mhm.
I figured out, oh, what these silly mistakes? Wow, I know all this stuff.
Now I
No,
know them.
no, no. Let's put it aside. I don't need you anymore. Bye
I don't need
bye.
you anymore. That's amazing. But
But the
it's
question
wonderful.
is,
Mhm.
the
What's the
question is,
question?
I I'm lost. I don't know what to improve now.
Oh, where to go from now?
Yeah,
Okay. Where to go from
I
here?
reached like some point, like what am I gonna do? I need to practice my English as before.
Okay, so something that you need to actually use to improve. How's your reading?
My reading, like if I read a book,
Mhm. Do you find it
um,
easy or do you find it
uh,
challenging?
it depends on the book. You know, sometimes where if the book it's academic or tends to more
Yeah.
hard words. Wow,
Okay.
I have to use the
Grammar.
like. No, not the grammar.
Mhm.
The words very
Oh, sorry,
hard
not
to understand.
vocabulary. Sorry,
Yeah,
vocabulary is what I meant
vocabulary.
to
Yeah,
say.
vocabulary.
So that's where I was going to say maybe go next is
Uh,
increasing your vocabulary knowledge.
yeah,
Like synonyms for different words. Start learning synonyms for different words. Instead of saying big for something, say large or huge or humongous,
yeah.
and
Thank you so much. Because
maybe
you know,
extend that.
that was actually the confirmation about what I was thinking about. Like
Oh, really?
I told myself
Okay.
maybe I have to like increase my vocabulary,
Vocabulary.
bank of vocabulary, to know more about new vocabulary. Because you know, I believe when I have like a tremendous vocabulary, a number
Mm,
of vocabulary, I will speak with any topic.
exactly. You'll
Yeah,
be able to talk about so many different things because you will have the words to speak about these things. And how I enjoy learning vocabulary is by reading books. And then I
yeah,
read and I'll find a word and I'm like, okay, look that word up. And
yeah.
then see synonyms for that word, similar words that mean similar to that word. And so try and increase your vocabulary with that.
Yeah, I'm always like,
Hey, that's your homework.
yeah. You know, I needed this. I needed this. Yeah, like a
Okay, cool.
confirmation for my information.
Yeah, sometimes we just need that little tick. I got this. I got this. Yeah.
You know, because you are my tutor, and I like I depend on you.
Oh, golly. I really appreciate your faith in me. Thank you, Ahmed.
Yeah, I believe in you. Yeah.
Uh, amazing to see you again. And next time I see
Thank
you, I want to
you. It
hear
was
some.
lovely to see you.
I want to hear some fancy words from you next time. Okay.
Yeah, I will promise you. I will come up with the new words.
You're gonna shock me. You're gonna see this
Yeah.
face.
Bye
So good to
bye.